One of the best things about ElevenLabs is how customizable the AI voices are. You're not limited to just one sound. You can actually change the voice style to make it more professional, emotional, energetic, calm, or conversational, depending on your project. So in this guide, I'll show you how to change voice style in ElevenLabs step by step. First, open the ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll have access to the voice generation tools. Now go to the text-to-speech section. This is where you can generate and customize AI voiceovers. Next, select the AI voice you want to use. Different voices already have unique personalities and tones, so choose one that matches your content style. After selecting a voice, type or paste your script into the text box. So, the wording and punctuation you use can also affect how the voice sounds. Now open the voice settings panel. This is where you can customize the voice style and overall delivery. And that's your full guide on how to change voice style in ElevenLabs. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to customize AI voices and make them sound more natural and engaging.